Ni hao from Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you a Chinese sponge cake you can also make for Christmas. The thing that got my attention is we're going to be steaming it. It's my first time ever steaming a cake, so I hope it goes well. First, grab these utensils we'll be using. A dough mixer with a whisk attachment, a cake pan with baking paper, on top of a wok with a steamer attachment with a lid, followed by these organic ingredients. 5 large eggs separated in 2 bowls, 3/4 of a cup xylitol sweetener, 1 cup unbleached white baker's flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. You're meant to use almond extract, but I don't have any. 1 teaspoon aluminium-free baking powder, half a teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Now let's begin. Step 1. Fill the wok or a large saucepan halfway with water, then place it on the stovetop on low to medium heat while we prepare the cake dough. Then line a cake pan with baking paper. Step 2. Place the flour in a medium bowl, stir in the baking powder and salt and set aside. Step 3. In your dough mixer bowl, beat the egg whites until frothy. Then add the cream of tartar and beat briefly. Step 4. Take 1/4 cup xylitol, adding it to the egg mix, and beat for another minute on low speed. Don't let the egg whites stiffen. Add the egg yolks and the remaining half a cup of sugar. Beat for about 2 more minutes, then stir in the vanilla extract. Step 5. Remove the bowl from the dough mixer and gradually sift the flour mixture onto the egg mixture and gently fold it in after each addition. Mix thoroughly, but do not beat. Keep folding, you'll get there. Step 6. Optional to spread butter on the sides of the cake pan so it can be easily removed. I'm paranoid about tearing the cake, then pour the batter into the cake pan. Steam the cake covered for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I've done it for longer since this is my first time. I didn't know if it was overcooking, so I transferred it to a smaller stovetop and let it steam for longer. Mine took about 45 minutes to 55 minutes. Note, you need to watch the water doesn't evaporate. If it does, then you need to top it up or put enough to begin with. My water evaporated and the cake took long to cook, so don't make my mistake. But the cake turned out very nice nonetheless. Here is mine after 25 minutes, still way raw in the middle. Step 7. Place the cake on a cooling rack. Mine's finally cooked. Do not take it out of the pan right away. Wait at least 5 minutes. Then flip it upside down and undo the catch. Then remove the parchment paper and the base of the cake pan. Mine got caught, so I suggest placing a baking sheet around the sides of the cake pan held with the butter. Flip it again onto a plate so that the cake is the right side up. And you're done. Enjoy a Chinese steamed sponge cake this Christmas. 感谢您的观看，喜欢评论订阅，再见到你。Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and be seeing you.